Libra, this is your third party situation reading. So, if you are in a third party situation, or if you think that you are in a third party situation, then this reading is for you. We will see the energy of your partner, your energies, and the future of this relationship. We will also pull two oracle cards in order to get guidance from the universe about the situation and in order to have a clear picture about it. And if you think that the reading resonates or if you like the reading, then please do subscribe to the channel. The partner energy, this is your energy, and the future of this relationship. Libra, you are definitely in the mood of saying justice will be served, and you are in a very, very confident state of mind right now, Libra. I'm so happy for you. You are in that state where you don't care what the other person is doing. You are just waiting for the judgment to be served, and that will be served in your favor. You have cut down in the bottom of the deck. So, Libra, what is happening here? Okay, Libra, your person is in the energy of Queen of Wands. So, they are Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. You might be dealing with Scorpio as well, and strong fire energy. So you might be dealing with Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Now your partner is in the Queen of Wands energy, which means that they are feeling attractive, they are feeling confident, and they know they have the power to control. But again, they might be seeking attention or validation from you or the other person about something. And Queen of Wands also suggests that they are getting a lot of attention from the third party and they are enjoying that attention. So they are they are uh, they are in their good state, and your energy is judgment, which means that you are in your highest self right now. You are seeing everything with clarity, and you are seeing things with no illusion. So you are when you see something right now, you see it with um see it exactly how they are. There is no illusion or denial of anything. So this is your energy, and I can feel that your partner was with someone. They were getting a lot of attention. Your partner, you are with someone who is very handsome or beautiful, and they garner a lot of attraction from the masses, and that is why they think that they are better, or they might get anyone. They are that kind of person, and you, on the other hand, you are now in that state that you don't care. Okay, you just want to be with me, be with me. If you don't want to be with me, don't be with me. And then there is shock, this sudden change, shocking news, surprise, ephemery, transformation. Now this card is for you, Libra. You are cutting out the ties that are not serving you anymore. You are stopping the pattern, and I can see that for many of you, you people are not talking to this person. You are giving them that silent treatment that, okay, if you are busy with the other party, then please spare me. I don't have time for you. And they are looking at your pictures and they are missing you, and this silence is killing them. They're feeling alone right now. They can surely see that a lot of attention is coming, people are approaching them. They might be dealing with multiple people, but they are not with someone particular, Libra. This is for sure. They are not with a single person, but they have a lot of options and they are keeping their options open. And by the time you realize this thing, that they are keeping their options open and they are not committing to you, you decided to cut your ties with them. You've decided to separate yourself from them. You have decided to give them that silent treatment that, okay, if you are not sure about this relationship, then I don't give a damn to this relationship as well. You are in that energy, Libra, which is a very, very beautiful and strong thing. Now, moving forward, the future of this relationship, this is a very good, very, very good energy, Libra. Now, both of you are realizing that, okay, we are good for each other. We need each other. You realize this thing, but then you have decided that I'm not going to be with someone who is not sure about me, and you moved on, and this moving on is affecting them. It is affecting your partner, and the future of this relationship is very honest and directed, and somebody is going to make a very clear and confident move. It could either be you or your partner, and you guys are going to clear the air, whether it's stay with me or just leave me right away energy, whatever it is. It is going to be cleared, and the third party situation is actually working good for both of you, because you guys are going to have clarity, because somewhere I can see that even you do not have the clarity about this relationship, Libra, whether you want this person or not. So this relationship, this third party situation, the separation, the silence is going to clear the head of both of you, and it is going to work in the favor of this relationship. And I can see that there is a reunion. We have a reunion, but this reunion will be very powerful and attractive. And for very few of you, it might also be a new person for you. You might be reuniting with a new person, as in you might reunite not with this person that you are dealing with right now, but somebody from the past. You might connect with them as well. So, this might also be the case for some of you. Now, the overall reading suggests that Libra, you are in your higher self right now. Your person, they are confident that you will come back to them, but you have made a decision that unless and until they give you the life and treatment that you deserve, you're not coming back, and you are giving them that silent treatment, and they are thinking about you, they are missing you, and they want to have back in their life. And the future of this relationship is very very strong, very powerful. A reunion is there, with a lot of maturity, with a lot of passion, and with a lot of respect. And this relationship, this silence, this separation, and this pause in the relationship will make this relationship better and stronger. This is what I can see, Libra. Okay, so please do follow if the reading resonates, and if you have any question, if you want to connect with me, then drop a comment in the comment section below, so I can connect with the energies of you, Libra. Thank you.